Now, what I'll do is I'll print my own QR code, put it over the original QR code. So when you scan that QR code, as soon as you tap, it gives me full access to your cell phone. So it's sophisticated, but it's so easy to manipulate. I could weaponize a online malware and decide that, hey, listen, I'm gonna create a barcode. So anybody scan it, I get automatic access to their device, or it's very serious. So while the original link may not catch it because you hover over the link and you say that, hey, this is not where the link is supposed to be taking me. There is a QR code at the bottom, and there is no way to really check the QR code unless you scan it. That's the thing. Most persons, when they scan it, they don't check, they just click. And that's the problem.
When you scan the QR code, the assumption is that you're going to exactly where you have to be, and you're not even considering the fact that the QR code itself could become